Okay, so this is going to be our Unit 2 events leading up to the American Revolution starter project. It's going to be, you're going to create a timeline of 14 different events, you and your partner, and it's going to chronologically show you all the different things that the British did and the Americans did that kind of ultimately led to the revolution. What caused the revolution is going to be visually shown after you create this timeline. So we're not going to talk about all these events in detail, but we will go over some of them in detail and do various projects on them to get you to have a better grasp of what the event was. So in order to find this project, it's going to be under our Unit 2 events leading up to the American Revolution folder in our resources page under our group tab on MyBayCampus. So once you're there, it's the first link. It's called Copy of American Revolution Timeline Dig. And here you will see that it has the events that you and your partner will need to chronologically place on a timeline and give a 2-sentence summary of your events in your own words, please. I recommend using the textbook, Chapter 5. It's just easier. It's there. You don't have to Google search and read a huge long Wikipedia article for a brief summary. If you want to do that, that's fine. More the merrier. But I just recommend using the textbook, which is in the back of the room. Include a year for each of your event. You also need to make sure your timeline has a title on it. Include an image for each of your events. So each event will have an image, a date, a picture, and a 2-sentence summary of the event. Okay, so that gives you just the basics of what you need to have. You and your partner can use a shared Google document. Make sure you share it with me. You can do that right away or later, or you can each make your own. That's up to you. I would personally divide up the work between the two of you and makes life easy and fair. Share with me your finished timeline by Wednesday, August 27th, at the beginning of class. If time is needed in class and you showed me that you've used your time wisely, I will allow you to have some time on Wednesday to finish it. If not, it is due in class and it may be homework on Tuesday. We'll see after Tuesday's class. I'll let you know. So, how do I make this timeline on my document? Let me show you. Go to a new file in Google Docs. So a new document. Let it load. Go to File, Page Setup. What I'm going to do first is show you how to make it a longer document so you can fit more events on it and have a longer line. So change this to Landscape and Tableau 11 times 17, length and width. Hit OK. It will make the document bigger, as you can see. How to insert a line. Go to Insert, Drawing. Click the line once it loads next to the arrow. It will give you a little cross-like symbol where you can draw across, just like in Paint or any drawing activity you've ever done on a computer. Try to make it straight if you can. If not, that's okay. It will look like that. You can change it however you want. Make it dash, make it whatever. That will start your timeline. Hit Save and Close, and it will appear on your document. Now, if you need to make it bigger, you can. Hit Wrap Text to be able to write above or below the document. So, for example, I may move this timeline down a little bit, and then above it I would write, 1750 is when the timeline starts, right? And it goes all the way till 1780. You probably need a bigger timeline, or you could do 2 if needed. But then you would include your image, your event, and your 2-sentence summary along this line. Don't forget to share it with me and your partner, or keep it to yourself, but share it with me so I can grade it, please. Any questions, please let me know.